Here we go.
Here we go.
Let's try it. Oh, snap. It's pulling it. Watch out, Roo. Move. Nice. Making it easy. Oh, shoot. Perfect.
With 1 inch to spare.
Dude, like a man. Let's go. Okay.
With 1 inch to spare.
Dude. Bro.
I was scared.
Just don't tell Ashley. At least we got it down. That is perfect. Alright, dude.
Here, let me pull it back towards us a little bit.
This is why I'm getting rid of my BMW X3 and getting a Jeep. Clean up. That makes life easy. Heck yeah. Wow. Man, that made it so much easier. Dude. I was gonna get up there with a chainsaw and have Ashley pull it with a rope.
She would have never pulled that thing. See how it struggles with that?
Crazy. It's the root. It's a wrap.
Coming down the ladder.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get all the stuff.
Very important.
Like a man. See?
This is what I live with on a daily basis. Can you imagine? Yeah, don't say anything because we're gonna be, this is gonna be posted, I'm sure.
I'm just gonna put it on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube so I can watch it later. And if some rednecks want to learn how to pull a tree down, they can, because we're rednecks. Good job, babe.
Okay, wait.
You're hired.
So what do you do? Back the car up? Oh, it's cold. No, I'm scared.
What's Cal over there doing? Hey, baby. You're doing a good job watching us.
Is he gonna land on me? What do I have to hold it down?
So don't you pull the trigger, but let's tighten up the slack first. So pull it and like let go when it gets kind of tight.
Look at you.
Keep pulling it? Keep pushing it?
See? It's got too much slack now.
Really? Catch, baby, catch. You might need to pull your truck up a little bit. You're doing like I did with the chainsaw earlier.
Take all the slack out of it till it gets good and tight. A little more. A little more.
Babe, you're gonna break it.
A little more. A little more.
Just playing.
Don't want to deep right. Now you just, pull it for a second or two.
You're playing with me. Is something gonna happen quickly?
There he goes. Oh. No, it's not. That thing's gonna snap off. What you doing, baby? Kyla. Are you watching, baby? We're making a video home for you. No, it's not. There you go, babe. Oh, yeah. Timber. Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Keep going. Nice. You gotta put some music on now.
From there, it's not gonna hit this car.
That's what
Yeah,
I
you're
think.
clear.
Looks like it's gonna get close.
Ooh,
Paying for it if I'm not.
I mean, I don't know. Yeah, sure. Man, no. Insurance.
I'm telling you.
No, it's fine.
I feel like I would hit it.
No, it's fine. Timber! Yeah! Boom! Oh yeah! Look what you did, babe. See? That didn't cost us $500. Exactly. Free as me. There we go. Look at this. Got the root out and everything. Look, we don't even.
Right up by the roots.
Yeah. Look, this tree's so close on it. That's why they're not growing.
Have fun cutting this thing up.
I know. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, we are reconvening. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, go. Okay, you're good. You're good. I think it'll be all right. Good. Timber! Good. Nice. How you feel, babe?
How you
Anyway.
feel, Ashley Bunyan?
I feel accomplished.
There you go.
Parks, whatever you are.
And this is how you pull a tree down with rednecks.